new, man. All of this is new.
I find it funny when they try to do it like.
What's up, guys? It's Len with another episode of Michigan Streets and Eats, and today I am joined by Air Versus.
What's up, man? We down here in Midtown in Detroit. I'm about to check out For the Love of Sugar. Come on, follow us in.
Depending on how much I like everything, I might have to get something to go.
Okay. Was there anything else for you guys?
I'll probably be back in a second.
Okay, thank you. I'll leave it right over here.
About to try this pecan roll. That's really good.
I already started, I'm sorry.
That's really good. Then there's this vegan cake. It's probably not gonna taste right now, but
Man, that cake look fire. I might have to get. Hey, what you gotta do with the Gucci dirty dishes?
I don't know. And that's really good as well.
Looks like it.
I must say, off bat, amazing. What do you think, Versus?
It's a pretty good cookie. Tastes like a cookie.
So Cliff, tell us, what did you get?
First time I had this plate of frosting, aka cinnamon roll, and this original cinnamon roll was fire. I spent my last rent money on this, so I would definitely recommend you try this. And I just sampled a free Nutella cookie. That was good. But I guess you want me to eat this in slow motion, how they do in the real food channel?
Of course.
Let me over exaggerate. Oh my god, that is so delicious. Nah, it's good though. It is good. I'll go to try.
It looks like a very good cake. What is it? Is it chocolate chip?
Yeah, it's a chocolate chip.
Did you get the vegan one?
Yeah, vegan one. I don't know, to be honest. I did that for chocolate chip. It's good.
Yeah. Cake?
He already ate.
Yeah.
That's another one.
That one's like more the lighter one.
It is.
That one is, I mean, like, it's not like, I don't think it's too sweet.
No, it's not. It's like the perfect balance to me.
Yeah.